6 Best Natural Drinks for Your Kidney Health. Have you considered enhancing your kidney function naturally? Our kidneys tirelessly filter out toxins, waste, and excess fluids. It's crucial to show them care by being mindful of what we consume. While staying hydrated is vital, it's equally important to choose wisely. Often, we opt for beverages laden with hidden sugars, like fruit juices, sweet tea, or soda, which offer no benefits to our kidneys or overall health. So, how can we replace these sugary drinks with healthier alternatives? Let's explore 6 fantastic natural beverages that promote kidney health. Let's get started. 1. Green tea. The positive impact of green tea on kidney health stems from its abundant polyphenol content, primarily caicin, which serves as potent antioxidants crucial for combating oxidative stress. These antioxidants neutralize harmful free radicals, aiding renal cell relaxation. Additionally, scientific studies indicate that green tea may regulate blood pressure, thanks to its antihypertensive properties. Furthermore, its potent anti-inflammatory attributes safeguard kidneys from chronic inflammation, a common precursor to kidney damage. Green tea also contributes to managing diabetes by improving insulin sensitivity and glucose regulation, potentially lowering the risk of diabetic nephropathy, a prevalent complication. Animal studies suggest that regular green tea consumption prevents kidney fibrosis, a condition prevalent in chronic kidney disease characterized by tissue scarring and hardening. Opt for high-quality loose-leaf green tea, steeped in non-boiling water initially to remove dust, followed by hot water to fully extract its nutrients. Even with green tea bags, a similar steeping method can maximize kidney health benefits. Give it a try and experience the difference. 2. Lemon juice. Lemon juice offers more than just a refreshing taste. It contains citrate, which has the potential to prevent the formation of kidney stones, particularly those comprised of calcium oxalate. According to a 2007 study in the Journal of Urology, citrate and lemon juice bind with calcium in urine, reducing the availability of calcium for stone formation. Despite its sour taste, lemon juice has an alkalizing effect once metabolized, aiding in maintaining proper urine pH levels. Moreover, lemon juice is rich in antioxidants, particularly vitamin C, and serves as a gentle diuretic, promoting increased urine production when consumed moderately. This proper hydration and diuretic action assist kidneys in efficiently flushing out waste products and excess fluids. Chronic inflammation poses a risk to kidney health, but lemon juice contains flavonoids with anti-inflammatory properties, shielding kidney tissues from inflammation and aiding in their repair if already inflamed. To reap these health benefits, create a simple mixture of 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, 2 tablespoons of pure lemon juice, and 500 milliliters of water, consuming it on an empty stomach for a refreshing start to your day. This blend combines acetic acid from apple cider vinegar, citric acid from lemon juice, and vitamin C, working synergistically to cleanse and support kidney health. 3. Black coffee. Black coffee, when consumed without added sugar, is often lauded as a zero-calorie beverage. It boasts an array of antioxidants, particularly chlorogenic acid, renowned for its ability to mitigate oxidative stress within the body. Numerous studies indicate that individuals who regularly consume black coffee exhibit a notably reduced risk of developing chronic kidney disease. Additionally, some research suggests that consistent coffee consumption can diminish the likelihood of kidney stone formation, primarily by augmenting urine output and decreasing the risk of calcium oxalate stone formation. However, moderation is key. Excessive consumption should be avoided. Furthermore, the mild diuretic properties of black coffee aid in the elimination of excess sodium and waste materials from the body, averting issues such as fluid retention. The caffeine in black coffee also facilitates enhanced blood circulation, ensuring adequate oxygen and nutrient delivery to the kidneys for optimal function. Nonetheless, excessive intake may lead to dehydration due to its diuretic effects. Overindulgence in coffee can also elevate blood pressure, disrupt sleep patterns, and occasionally result in digestive discomfort. It's essential to monitor caffeine intake, including coffee and other caffeinated beverages, while prioritizing hydration. 4. Beetroot juice. Beetroot juice naturally contains high levels of nitrates, which are converted into nitric oxide upon ingestion. Nitric oxide plays a crucial role in widening blood vessels, thereby improving blood flow and potentially reducing blood pressure. Beets are also abundant in antioxidants, particularly betalains and vitamin C, which combat oxidative stress and inflammation, contributing to enhanced kidney health. Additionally, research suggests that beets may aid in preventing kidney stones. A study published in the Journal of Medicinal Food in 2013 demonstrated that beetroot extracts can mitigate the formation of calcium oxalate crystals, the most prevalent type of kidney stones. 5. Cranberry juice. Cranberry juice boasts high levels of proanthocyanidins, which possess antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, rendering cranberries a valuable asset in combating chronic inflammation. Many healthcare professionals advocate for cranberry supplements for patients with urinary tract infections, UTIs. One of the key benefits of proanthocyanidins in cranberries is their ability to form a non-adhesive layer within the urinary tract, deterring bacteria from adhering and causing UTIs. Research published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition in 2016 supported this assertion, demonstrating that cranberry products, including cranberry juice, can effectively decrease UTI recurrence and enhance overall kidney health. Moreover, cranberry juice aids in managing high blood pressure, a significant risk factor for kidney disease. Approximately 27% of new kidney failure cases in the United States are attributed to high blood pressure alone. Lastly, cranberry juice offers preventive support against certain types of kidney stones, including the common calcium oxalate stones. 6. Seltzer water. Seltzer water, also known as carbonated or sparkling water, presents a healthy option for promoting overall kidney health. Firstly, it aids in maintaining hydration without the drawbacks associated with added sugars or artificial additives. Additionally, seltzer water is typically low in sodium, a critical factor for kidney health, as excessive sodium intake can contribute to hypertension and kidney damage. Moreover, seltzer water serves as a preventive measure against kidney stones. Some studies suggest that the carbonation in water acts as a diuretic, increasing urine flow and facilitating the removal of excess minerals that could potentially form kidney stones. Lastly, seltzer water offers various flavors to cater to individual preferences. You can further enhance its taste and nutritional value by adding a splash of citrus fruits like lemon or lime, providing not only a refreshing flavor but also a healthy dose of vitamin C. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.